We are here at SM Seaside City, Cebu. So for today's short video, we're going for ice skating, but I don't like it because I don't know how. So for sure, my friends only. Oh, flowers! Cashier. Escalator na naman tayo. Escalator. Wala lang. Mira! Hi ka, hi! Di ba ang ganda ng mama niya?